Action has been an all-time favorite genre for everyone out there. From extreme violence to awesome fight scenes, people tend to grow with protagonists along the series. And so, today we are going to list down some of the best action webcomics out there for you to read. Hello friends, I am Theo and welcome to our channel Baka Shit.
初めてだって関係ない好きにしちゃって It's alright 人生なんてむずく甘いバカなんてダメトイレやんでちゃ自然でみんなで忘れて歩いて
Number 10 on our list is Dice. The plot of Dice revolves around a young boy named Dongtae. He starts off as a timid kid with bottom of the barrel rankings on every aspect of his life, whether it be looks, intelligence, height. It was like Dante was ruled once for all his attributes. Constantly bullied and incapable of approaching his crush Anju, Dante is rescued from a spiral of despair by becoming a dicer. His main goal is to get the final dice and make a world fair for all. Number 9 is Hardcore Leveling Warrior. Hardcore Leveling Warrior was the number 1 ranked player in the Lucid Adventure and the only player on the server with golden armor and max status. He is dirty player and is criticized for his antiques such as stealing quests, blocking other users from completing quests and stealing mobs that others have almost finished. During an double S-class quest, he is beaten by a mysterious assassin and his golden armor and items are stolen from him before his level and status are level 1. He must go on a long journey of redemption to recover his status and power as well as earn enough money to repay the money he owes to the loan sharks in the real world. The next on the list is the advanced player of the tutorial tower. After being trapped for 12 years in a tower full of regenerating monsters, Young Kim is more powerful than just about any other human or monster on Earth. Now that he is free, he is determined to find out who was behind his imprisonment, even if that means he has to kill a host of monsters and inadvertently save the world along the way. Boxer. The story revolves around its main protagonist Yu and his quest to become a pro boxer. Yu has a startlingly emotionless and disinterested persona, taking little to no interest in anything but other than his pet cat. He is shown to be alarmingly apathetic, simply taking hits because he couldn't be bothered to dodge them, and giving zero response when threatened by an obvious vicious person. However, after his encounter with Kei, and then seeing Inje trying to fight Yu by skin, he gains an interest in boxing after asking whether hitting people was fun. Number 6. Noblesse. Noblesse is about a powerful noble, Claudius Etrama de Rizal, who has been asleep for 820 years with no knowledge of mankind's advancement and scientific success. At the start of the webtoon, Ray wakes up in an abandoned building in South Korea and starts to get used to the modern world. He goes to a school where he reunites with his loyal servant Frankenstein. With Frankenstein's help, Ray enrolls into high school and inadvertently befriends athletic teenager Shinwoo, computer geek Ikhan, and Shinwoo's crush Yuna, and a few others. Noblesse follows the group's often dangerous adventure against a secret organization while uncovering Ray's past. Number 5. Solo Leveling. After the appearance of portals known as gates connecting the world of monsters to humans, a small portion of population has acquired superhuman powers to defend against the monsters. The protagonist of the story, Sung Jin-woo, is the member of the lowest rank of the hunters and is the weakest hunter in all of South Korea, barely stronger than any human being. One day, he and some other hunters find themselves trapped in an extremely dangerous and rare double dungeon and only a few of them survive and manage to escape. Sung Jin-woo himself dies but manages to complete all the trials in his dungeon. He then wakes up in an hospital and finds he has turned into a reawakened player who can now see an interface showing him quests, stats, inventory, store, and levels along with the unique ability to grow exponentially stronger. Sun Jinwoo begins on a quest to become the strongest hunter in the world and uncover the mystery of the world of monsters. Number 4 is God of High School. In God of High School, the action takes place and involves the inhabitants of the 3 different realms. The human realm is mainly populated by humans and identical to our own world. The Sage realm, also known as Demon realm, it is populated by various mythical creatures, spirits and monsters such as dragons, minotaurs and phoenixes. The Heavenly realm is the last realm and the most powerful. The Heavenly realm is home to many powerful gods of various mythologies and legends like Jade Emperor, Michael the Archangel, Hercules, etc. At the dawn of the time, human demons and gods lived together on earth. The gods allowed the weak human to borrow their power, creating the borrowed power system so they could defend themselves from the demons who wanted to rule them. Shortly after the demon defeat, the god splits up the human, demon and god among the 3 realms. Humans are since able to use borrowed power freely but are not allowed to attack gods with it. Next is Lookism. Daniel Park is an unpopular, fat, ugly and bullied high school student who is looked down upon by the entire student body. Being constantly bullied by and harassed every day by Logan Lee, he often takes out his anger verbally on his mother and soon asks for a school transfer. Resolving to run away from his current situation and to start fresh, he moves to Seoul alone and plans to attend a new high school. However, a few nights before he goes to school, he obtains a new body which is tall, muscular and extremely handsome. His days are always split between the 2 bodies, his handsome body formed of the daytime and the original for the night. As Daniel lives his life with his 2 bodies, he begins to see just how much the world discriminates against the people of being simply unattractive or different, and the titular name of Lookism. Number 2 on the list is Tower of God. Tower of God centers around a boy named 25th Baum, who has spent most of his life trapped beneath a vast and mysterious tower with only his close friend Rachel to keep him company. When Rachel enters the tower, Baum is devastated. Somehow, Bam manages to open the door to the tower. Now, he will go any distance to see Rachel again, even if it means dying. When he enters the tower, he meets allies that will help him up the tower. And at last, the number 1 is Unordinary. Nobody paid much attention to John, just a normal teenager at a high school where the social elite happens to possess unthinkable powers and abilities. But Johan's got a special secret that threatens to bring down the school's whole social order and much more. Fulfilling his destiny won't be easy though, because there are battles, free enemies, and deadly conspiracies around every corner. With this, we would like to end the list here. Be sure to comment down your favorite, and thank you. Stay tuned.